Hello everyone and welcome back to my heavenly babies. Today we've got a box opening and this one is a full body silicone. I haven't gotten one of those for a while. I've been getting a lot of the vinyls, but this particular baby here is from iVita and it's a baby that I've seen on a lot of people's channels and on a site I'm on Facebook. And I asked about this one and I said, where did you find that one? It is so beautiful. And they told me about it. So I told my husband about it and he got it for me. I'm excited. I will gender reveal and then name reveal with you guys. And then we'll go over and I'll explain everything. I've covered up the addresses and all that. So we'll just go ahead and flip it open. And I do have to cover because I don't think these babies come dressed. Most of the time they don't. So you do have to cover their parts because it is atomically correct. So yeah, we have to make sure we cover that. So I'm going to go ahead and open this quickly this way and put my hand in. I'm get to see this with you guys. So we're going to kind of cover the face. You don't really see it. But we're going to gender reveal. This is a baby boy. I am super excited about it, and it's a very big baby boy. It's going to be one of the biggest I have in my collection. This baby is 21 to 22 inches long, and the biggest baby I have is Christian. He is 20 to 21 inches, and he weighs 10.5, and Octavia weighs 11 pounds exactly. This baby here is just like 3 ounces shy of 12 pounds. So I'm excited to see this baby. I have seen it on, like I said, other people's pages and on YouTube and stuff, and I've wanted it so bad. And so finally I got to get my hands on it. Now they do send you like instructions. It's not wrapped pleasantly because it is an iVita, so it's just online. It's eBay. But here's the little outfit it comes with. You can see, I can tell that the hat is so much bigger than the clothes I got. But these are more like doll clothes. I don't even keep these. I give them just away to my nieces and you know, neighbors and stuff like that for them to have the little doll clothes for their babies. But I want to make sure it's a boy, and yes it is. I had to make sure on that. But holy cow, this baby is big. So we're going to go ahead and try to get him out by covering his face and his private areas. Oh my god, he's so big. And I heard he's super floppy, and yes, he is. Oh my god, is he ever super floppy. All right, so let's try to keep him covered because I don't even want to see without doing this so terribly. I'm going to close my eyes. We're going to flip him out here, and I'm going to move the box and the paperwork and stuff, and we're going to lay him in here. I've got my eyes closed because I don't want to see this baby either, but holy cow, is he big. He is big, you guys. We're going to go ahead and just slowly kind of show some of his features. Hopefully you guys can see that. Oops, I want to keep the face covered. Here's his leg. He is a chunky. He's got chunk on him. I will have to paint this baby. They're unpainted. But holy cow, is he floppy. I love those floppy babies. Oh my gosh, I love his feet. His feet are so cute. Do you see that, you guys? Now, his toes are basically spread, but they come together like right at the, just like kind of like the, what do you say, the knuckle part of the toe. And over here, same thing. They're kind of spread a little farther on this foot and separated in the big toes. But oh my gosh, so cute. Again, I'm trying to not look at the face. I just kind of want to try to slowly go up in this baby. Let's see, maybe there's a way we can cover this. So let's cover his private and let's cover his face so we don't see his face. Because I don't want to see it till I get to that part, you know? Just hate that they come undressed. Here's the one hand. Look at that hand, you guys. Look at how his hand is. Oh my gosh, is that cute. Now, these babies do have seam lines on them, but these are the babies that I buy to paint and sell on my channel. So, yeah, this one here was exciting to me to get. Oh, my gosh, I love his hand. I love how it's all open. And he's going to be considered like a 3-month-old because he's so big. Okay, now let's try to get this off of him, covering his face. I will be putting in glass eyes in him. I'm going to cover his face. Of course, he's going to need a bath and everything because when they come from the factory, you just want to make sure you bathe them and stuff. Holy cow, his head is so big, you guys. It is so big. All right, so we know it's a boy, and we're going to go ahead and just open him, you know, just look right at him. I love his long arms. I love how big he is. I hope that he's in frame good for you guys. Let me make sure he's in frame good for you guys, because I would hate if you guys were watching this video and I'd have to redo it. Wouldn't that suck? Make sure he's in frame. Let's see. Make sure. I gotta be able to see here. It's hard for me to tell because it's facing the other way. But let me see. Yes, okay, he is in frame. Let's go down just a little bit with him. Okay, he is in frame. Oh my gosh, he is so big. My husband is gonna be so surprised when we see him, because he's always telling me, why don't you ever get a bigger one? Because I always get, you know, preemie to newborn size, and newborn being the most. But anyway, so we know it's a baby boy, but we're gonna go ahead and look at the face. The time over there says 9:10. It's 9:10 p.m. on the 5th of September. That's when this baby was born, 9:10. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, are you ever beautiful? Oh wow, he is so pretty. Look at how big his head is, you guys. I don't even know if you can realize the size, but he's taking up this whole spot. You guys know the spot I lay my babies in. Look at how he is stretched out from top to bottom with him. Holy cow, but he is, look at that head. He's got that head where he can do that, you know, that full turn, you know. Oh, hi. Hi. And he doesn't have an open mouth, so you do have to open it. It looks like it is, but you do have to open his mouth, so I will use an X-Acto knife and open it. But he's got that scrunched up nose. Oh my gosh, he is so cute. And I only seen this one as a boy, not a girl. I only seen it as a boy, but see how nice that is? What you can do with his head. He is so floppy. I love that. Oh my gosh, you are so beautiful, buddy. All right, so let's go ahead and tell you the name. Sorry guys, my alarm went off, and we're just about to tell you the name. So this little guy I am going to be calling Ocean Wade. I put it up on the screen there exactly how I am saying that. And he is so beautiful. He's got blue eyes, but like I said, we're going to be taking those out, putting glass eyes in. They are a blue eye. I am going to continue with a blue eye. I'm putting a blue glass eye in it. I already have them. And so they're from Irresistibles. I'm going to be putting that in him, so he's got the glass eyes. But yes, he's so sweet. I will open his mouth so he could take full nooks. But wow, is he ever beautiful. Let me go ahead and throw a little diaper on him so I can bring him up to the screen and show you guys. I'm guessing he's going to be a 1 or 2. I do a 1 on Christian and Octavia, so I'm thinking he'll be a 1. And he's going to definitely be 0 to 3 month clothing. There's just no way this baby can fit in anything other than that. Let's keep him covered, his parts. Yeah, we got to keep your parts covered, but you're so big, and I'm at the side. Yeah, you're so big. Oh, wait, we got to let everybody see that butt. Yeah, so I'll let everybody see the butt. Look at that butt, you guys. Oh my gosh, is that ever a cute butt? Look at that nice booty and his back. Look at his back. And what I love is he can lay so nice. You know, you can lay his head to the side like that. I absolutely love that. Get your hand out of there. And I can put his hands up. You see that? How flexible he is. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to do this from the side. But look at that butt. That is a perfect baby butt for spanking. Yeah, for spanking. Holy cow, you are so big and floppy, though. Oh, my goodness. Sorry, guys. Trying to keep this covered is almost next to impossible. So let's make sure we get this diaper right. And sorry, buddy. I am trying so hard to do this without hurting you. Yeah, I don't want to hurt you. Yeah, I don't want to hurt you. Is this diaper going to be too tight? Oh, no. I have it way up here. That's why. Way up on his back. I just want to look at his private areas. Wow, that is amazing. Wow, that's different from the other babies. He is still an uncircumcised baby. They don't really do that with these ones, but it looks different from the other ones. It looks more realistic, I would say. And then his cute belly button. I love the belly button. I'm going to have fun painting this one. I really am. But oh my gosh, he's just so big. Okay, so I'm going to get up to the screen so you guys can see this face. Oh my gosh, look at that face. Isn't that cute? And look at how floppy he is. I got my hand on him, but look at that. And I'll just kind of go up and show you his belly button, his hands. Let's try to flop his hands around so you can see his hands. Are you seeing his hand? Oh, right there. His hand, they're both kind of like that on both sides. And then his feet. Look at those feet. Gosh, I hope you guys can see all this. I just can't even tell if you are seeing it, but isn't he gorgeous? Look at that chest, those chest cakes on him. Wow, I didn't even notice that. You can tell he's a big baby because of that chest. He's like muscular. He kind of looks like, in the face, he looks like Lou Ferrigno, doesn't he? The Hulk, if you guys know who that is. Yeah, I'll have to throw a picture up of him, but he kind of looks like him. But oh my gosh, he is gorgeous. You are gorgeous, boy, but you are a big boy. Very big boy. Wow. Great, great baby. Oh my gosh, I am so happy with this baby. I didn't know he was going to be that big. But we're going to give him a bath and everything. But yeah, so everybody meet my beautiful Ocean Wade. Welcome him to my family. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. And yeah, this will be another one that's added to my painting. I added him already. So I think I'm at like 8 babies total, but one is just like a half. It's just Christian just adding a little bit of blushing to him and sealing him. But I'll be painting this one for sure too. So it's like total of 7 babies. I have 7 babies to do total, and that I could turn one around in like 24 to 48 hours, working nonstop. Nonstop with it. I could do that turnaround with that. But that's really working hard and fast at it. But yeah, so I should have these babies done in just a few weeks, and I'm going to be sharing them with you guys as I do each one. But yeah, it looks like he wears size 1. He's definitely going to wear a size 0 to 3. I'm going to give him a bath and put him in a cute outfit. I'll get some photographs at the end of him, or just get some photographs of him in a onesie, because that's my favorite when I first do a box opening, for them to, you to see him in just a onesie. All right, and then I'll open his mouth and put a nook in too, so you guys can see that, and the glass eyes. Everybody take care. God bless. Oh, let Ocean give you a kiss. Mwah. Say that's the first of many kisses he'll be giving. Oh, his nails look so good, you guys. Oh, I'm so excited with him. So excited. And then I'll blow one out. Mwah. I love you guys too. I hope that was in frame there for you guys. But God loves you more. All right, everybody take care. God bless. And I will see each and every one of you in my very next upload.